to another fall decorate with me. Today I'm getting ready to do my dining area, and as you can see beside me, I have already pulled some things that I think is going to work perfect for this tablescape. So I quickly had to make myself a cup of coffee because even though it's still pretty warm here, I kind of wanted to create my own little fall vibe, you know what I mean? Sometimes you just have to create your own moment. It's not very fall-like here because I am living on an island, but that doesn't mean that you can't feel cozy on the inside and create your own little vibe. So that's exactly what I did. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel out. Also subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and turn your notification bells on. I do want to put out a sit down video for my next upload to kind of give you guys an idea of where I see the channel going in the future. I'm going through a little bit of a transition phase right now, so I want to keep you guys in the loop. I want to be as transparent as I can. So turn the notification bells on. I'm gonna do a nice sit down video kind of explaining. It won't be too long, but just to kind of explain my ideas for the channel, and if you guys want to see my transition phase, you know, moving and searching for somewhere to live once I get back to the city, all that good stuff, I'll explain that further in the next upload. Anyways, not to be too chatty, let's get right into today's video and style my dining area. So home stylers, I quickly just wanted to start off by showing you guys how I created this wreath. I had these stems that I purchased around the spring or summertime, and I thought they would be perfect to create a wreath. So what I did is I took some floral wires and cut those in smaller pieces so that they're easier to work with, and I'm going to use those to secure the stems. And so first I bend the ends of these stems into like a C shape, and then I'm going to layer them on top of each other, securing them with the floral wire into a circular like motion. I'm being careful when I'm layering the stems because I want all of them to go in one direction. Okay, so next I'm going to start on my dining table, and I'm not using a traditional table runner for these. I have some round placemats. They're different colors. Two of them are a little darker brown and a couple of them are ivory, and I'm just going to alternate them down the middle of the table to create the runner. And the scallop placemats that you see on the outside, I thought they would work perfect for this table setting because they kind of reminded me of a plant or a flower, so I thought they would look really nice. The chargers, the gold chargers, those I've had for a while. I purchased them from Ross, but I'm sure you guys can get these. I know they're sold in a lot of home decor stores, so they should be no problem. You can even use large plates and spray paint them. You know, get creative if you can find exact one that you're looking for. And the white, blue, and gold plate sets, those I've also had for a while. The clear vase, I did purchase those on Island, so unfortunately I cannot link those. All the candle holders I've had for a while as well. The matching posters, they match the table mats that you see on the outside, and so I had to purchase them separately because they didn't really come in a set, but they are the matching ones, so I went ahead and purchased those. I thought they also look great on this table. You guys may notice that I'm giving the option of hot or cold beverage here because it's fall. I think this table setting is in season. You can also use this idea for maybe like a fall brunch or even Thanksgiving. You know, a lot of people serve warm beverages during Thanksgiving, so I thought it would be a great idea to kind of show you guys that you can also, you know, create a table setting that have the options for both. So now I'm just going to be putting the finishing touches on the table, some candles, a few pumpkins, just for some added pops of color. And I'm going to take two of my napkins and kind of roll them into a fan-like fold,
and the remaining 4 I'm just gonna roll those up into a rose. I've showed you guys how I did the rose before on my channel. You want to check out my last tablescape that I did. But then next I'm gonna move over to my bar area. Here I'm creating a coffee bar. Now I'm definitely a seasonal coffee drinker or a once in a while coffee drinker. I'm more of a tea girl. I'm just gonna bring the same theme over from the table on this coffee bar by giving the option of serving hot or cold beverage as well. So that's what I'm doing. And I just add some vase filler. I did some moss balls and a few pine cones, and also I added a few pops of the fall colors that I carried over from my table. So here it is all set up. So you guys know that this is where I like to leave you, so you guys can continue to enjoy the rest of the video. I would really appreciate you guys giving this video a thumbs up if you were inspired in any way, and also subscribe before you leave and turn on your notification bells. So home stylers, stay blessed, and until next time, later.